Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the iPhone or iPad is unlocked and has at least 10% battery, so the change won't be interrupted. Once ready, open the Settings app from the home screen or App Library and scroll to General. This groups core system controls. Tap General to proceed. Doing this first takes you straight to date and time without digging through menus. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is on if you plan to toggle automatic settings afterward for syncing. You now tap date and time to see the current configuration and whether Set Automatically is enabled. Once it's showing, turn Set Automatically off so you can manually set values. This is necessary when the network time is incorrect or you need a specific timestamp. After disabling, use the date and time wheels to pick the exact day and hour and adjust time zone if needed. This manual control overrides network-supplied time until you re-enable automatic mode. You finish by confirming the new date and time display correctly across apps, and if you want normal syncing, re-enable Set Automatically so Apple servers and your carrier keep time accurate. If changes don't persist, restart the device to commit settings, and then check iCloud and carrier settings because profile or network policies can override manual edits. As a quick troubleshooting tip, make sure any VPN or configuration profile is disabled. These can lock times.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.